Number 13. An electronics store offers to finance the purchase of any single item with zero interest for 1 year with a down payment of $60. The rest of the purchase price will be split evenly into 4 quarterly payments. Which of the following equations represents the relationship between the amount, A dollars, of each quarterly payment and the purchase price, S dollars, of an item under this offer? Now, don't panic on this one. It looks very, very scary, but let's put it in terms that make sense. Here's the key. Let's go back through and highlight some keywords. Okay, we know if we go in and buy an item that we have to make a down payment of $60. The rest, that's the amount left over, will be split evenly into 4 payments. So let's just write this in terms that make sense. I go in there and I buy an item, and that item is going to be, we're going to call that S dollars. So let me just do it this way. I buy the item. I have to pay a down payment. That's minusing. So the item, they say to let that be S dollars. The down payment is $60. So whatever it is, we know that we're going to do S minus 60. I can already eliminate B. I can eliminate C. I can eliminate D. And I can eliminate E because they're not minus 60 from S. Okay? So we know it's A. But let's finish the problem, because what they're saying is that you take this amount and then you split that evenly 4 ways. You're going to divide it among 4 payments. So the payment is the item minus the down payment divided by 4. And they're saying to let A represent the payment. So there is the answer you're looking for. Sometimes these problems that are very long and complicated come out to be the easier ones if you just think through them. You don't have to do any math. You just have to think through the scenario. Put it in terms, put yourself in the problem. Imagine that you walk in the store and you do this thing. But this one, I know I have to take the price minus 60, and the only one that does that is the first one. So I didn't even have to go through all that if I know that I'm taking the down payment away from the price of the item.